2017 Buick Verano Sport Touring. Remainder of factory warranty, good tires, good brakes, recent trade-in, rear backup camera, Sirius XM, navigation GPS nav, sunroof moonroof, leather, front fog lights, mobile internet connectivity, remote engine start, GA car no rust, 4-wheel disc brakes, 6-speaker audio system feature, 6 speakers, 7 diagonal color touchscreen display, ABS brakes, auto dimming inside rear view mirror, auto dimming rear view mirror, automatic temperature control, body color outside heated power adjustable mirrors, Bose premium 9-speaker audio system feature, brake assist, compass, delay off headlights, driver and front passenger heated seats, driver 8-way power seat adjuster, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, electric rack mounted power steering, electronic stability control, emergency communication system, OnStar guidance, experience Buick package, 4-wheel independent suspension, front anti-roll bar, front dual zone AC, front halogen fog lamps, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, heated front seats, illuminated entry, knee airbag, low tire pressure warning, occupant sensing airbag, outside temperature display, overhead airbag, panic alarm, power door mirrors, power driver seat, power steering, power tilt sliding moonroof with sunshade, power windows, preferred equipment group 1SH, radio, AM/FM stereo with single CD/DVD/navigation, rear anti-roll bar, rear parking sensors, rear side impact airbag, rear spoiler, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, security system, Sirius XM satellite radio, speed control, split folding rear seat, spoiler, steering wheel mounted audio controls, tachometer, telescoping steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, traction control, trip computer, ultrasonic rear parking assist with audible warning, universal home remote, variably intermittent wipers, voltmeter. Recent arrival. New price. Clean Carfax. 2131 City/Highway. Your safety is our top priority. We are constantly sanitizing our offices, showroom, etc. Our delivery drivers will sanitize the vehicle before taking it to you. Drivers will wear masks and gloves and will re-sanitize the vehicle before exiting. Any remaining paperwork will be carefully handled and delivered to the customer for completion, all while maintaining a safe social distance of at least 6 feet. If you require additional safeguards, please reach out to our team. Contact us at in-store at 770-729-4827 or online at www.heritagevolkswagen.com and see how easy it is to buy a vehicle at Heritage Volkswagen.